अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू अनदर वीडियो। मेरा नाम उमर फ़ारूक है और मैं मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर हूँ अलहवान ग्रुप का। और आप देख रहे हैं अलहवान ग्रुप का ऑफिशियल यूट्यूब चैनल, जिसके बनाने का मकसद यही है कि फार्मर्स तक नस्ल कशी से रिलेटेड रीसेंट टेक्नोलॉजीज़ या मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजीज़ के बारे में आगाही की जा सके। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि पाकिस्तान और चाइना के दरमियान सीपैक का जो मुआहदा हुआ है उसमें काफ़ी हद तक एडवांसमेंट आ चुकी है और पाकिस्तान और चाइना जो है उन्होंने आपस में ट्रेड स्टार्ट कर दी है। और चाइना जो है वो बहुत सारी चीज़ों के अलावा लाइफ स्टॉक के अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा इन्वेस्टमेंट करना चाह रहा है पाकिस्तान में। हमारे साथ अभी पिछले कुछ महीने पहले एक बहुत बड़ी कंपनी है चाइना की, रॉयल ग्रुप, स्टॉक एक्सचेंज लिस्टेड कंपनी है। उसने हमसे रब्ता किया कि हम मिल के कुछ करना चाहते हैं, तो वी सेंट देम इनविटेशन। और उसके बाद आज वो अपने 7 रुकनी वफ्द के साथ, जिनको गाइड कर रहे हैं उनके प्रेसिडेंट, पाकिस्तान आ रहे हैं और हमारे हेडक्वार्टर्स पे आ रहे हैं। यहाँ पे वो मुलाकात करेंगे हमारी कंपनी के सीईओ के साथ और मैं उन्हें पूरी कंपनी की ब्रीफिंग दूंगा। और इसके बाद हम उन्हें लंच के अलावा उनको पूरी फैसिलिटी का टूर देंगे, अपनी लेबॉरेटरीज़ विज़िट कराएंगे और उसके बाद हम टेबल पे बैठेंगे ताकि हम डिस्कस कर सकें कि हम एक दूसरे के साथ फ्यूचर के अंदर कैसे चल सकते हैं। तो कुछ ही देर में पहुंचने वाले हैं, तैयारी बहुत ज़्यादा करने वाली है। आई विल ट्राई टू शो यू एवरीथिंग।
You are visiting, or before you
Yes.
all visited
First,
government institutes and other
yeah, all the public government. Thank you.
So my name is Dr. Farooq and I'm CEO of the company and CEO of this group, and Dr. Hassan, he is the director of marketing, spokesman, director of production and spokesman of this group. And he has been in China. He did PhD from China and postdoc from Guangxi University. Sorry, Wuhan University. Yeah.
PhD from Hwacheong农业大学
Yeah.
Post 后在
Nani. Yeah.
我 join them so
应该会说中文吧？
हाँ
应该会说中文吧？
नहीं क्या बोल रहे हैं
应该会说中文。你在那儿读的博士是吧？博士后
यार अभी नहीं अच्छी थी
忘掉了。
Not too much.
For today's schedule, let me share a brief schedule of today. Yes. Here we will have informal meeting for 5 to 10 minutes. Then we will go for lunch.
Okay.
And after the lunch, we will move for a small presentation in the meeting room.
Okay.
Then we will visit our labs and animals. And after that, we can have a discussion on whatever you want to
今天
discuss.
就简单的，反正过一会儿先去吃饭，然后有个会议，然后去实验室，然后看一下它的这个牛啊、动物啊，然后再回来再讨论一下，大概是今天下午的还有一个安排的一个午餐。
So private sector that use bidding with respect to quality and technology.
Okay.
Popular Bidder Association Punjab, Pakistan also grip on this SPU with respect to the pedigree and progeny.
My internees, they took the training from here. They are most of them. They are working in US as a lecturer, as assistant professor. Some guys they are studying in their postdoc in their doctorate in China, in America, in Korea. Different because we offer the internship programs. So most of the one guy is still is doing PhD, Dr. Usman, in which university? Guangxi. Guangxi University. Still, I met him there in Mr. Lu.
我听那个巴萨比他 senior 就早1年。
So we are in this business from last 21 years.
真的
Yeah.
做了21年了。For domestic for international
No, for domestic.
domestic，
For
Yeah.
domestic, yeah.
他主要做国内市场。
Other countries like Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Kenya, and in future we are trying to export the semen to Kenya. One container is placing here, and
Sri Lanka.
that is ready to go to Kenya.
他们以
We
前
are
那
waiting
个
for
以
some
前出口
documents.
过这个，今年
And
出口到斯里兰卡，还有尼
one
加拉，未来有
consignment
计
we
划
have sent to
出
Sri
口到
Lanka,
科尼亚
and。we have many orders from the Bangladesh. Still we are
Manjala.
negotiating Bangladesh. Yeah, there is big demand of cattle, of Sahiwal cattle. From where this city, the name of that cattle you will see there, and we belong to that. That is their need.
तो बांग्लादेश भी वो कैटल का ही है,
of
सीमन कैटल का ही है
हाँ, सीमन
बांग्लादेश
कैटल का।
में।
तो श्रीलंका बफलो का
Buffalo
हमने
का
एक्सपोर्ट किया था हमने।
In Sri Lanka, we have exported buffalo seed. They are very much interested.
Bangladesh
出口到斯里兰卡
Bangladesh
是
they
它的
need
量
cattle.
是
They
也
need
是水
buffalo
牛的
also,
精资
but，
但是尼加拉的
Sri
是
Lanka-
水牛的
their priority is the cattle.
黄牛的
斯
精资。
里兰卡是水牛，
Yeah.
嗯，
Sri
孟加
Lanka.
拉是黄牛。
In Sri Lanka, we have exported buffalo seed. They are very much interested.
Bangladesh 是意大利的水牛奶酪，这是一个驱动，他们需要这个东西。
哎，那事实上他说的这个人要认证，这个人也是那天跟我们座谈那个人吗？
做成2个人并排做的是吗？不是那个，
不
不是那个是安全，是另外一个。
是他手下见的。
哦，就
你
是
见我那个人确诊感染在家隔离。
在下个月。
The buffalo market is very big in the world. Most of the countries, because the cheese is only they like the buffalo. That's why the people they are fond of the buffalo meat. Very interesting. I'm the son of farmer, and my father have 20-25 buffaloes when I was born and grown up. I played with the buffaloes in the village. I belong to a very rural family. So right from my childhood, we take the buffalo milk, and now my children they also take the buffalo milk. So here when we shifted here, and in cities the people like the cow milk. So our family said no, we need the buffalo milk. So I have 3-4 buffaloes for my own family. Other people they are taking their cow milk. Most of the cows there around the big farms there, and the cow milk is cheaper here. But we are used to the buffalo milk.
In Brazil, they call cow milk white water.
Right?
在巴西，他们白换奶，他们
就是
传说
就像水皮，就是它在巴西人对普通的花奶，它叫水奶，水牛奶是白水，就像我们啤酒，普通的啤酒叫水啤，好的进口才是好啤酒。So they call the
花
buffalo milk
花
is
黑白花的叫水奶，
花奶叫水奶嘛，白水白水。
没有价值。
那水牛的呢？
So they call the buffalo milk what's the
Good milk. Good milk.
good milk
水牛奶叫好的奶。
好奶
Cow milk is white water.
white water 白
Because
水
it don't have fat, 2
Yeah.
to 3% fat.
Just water.
Yeah, it's have 8 to 9% fat. We have
So you built 20 years ago just here
yeah.
never move huh
No. It was somewhere else, and I bought this land in 2010.
2010 you
Yeah,
bought this
I
land.
bought this land, and I constructed all. It was all barren land. There was nothing.
nothing
Yeah, nothing.
他也是可以说
You have your choice sticks.
有快乐，还是快乐吧。
旁边的。
खाना पीना कुछ नहीं है बिना स्टिक के कुछ है। क्यों जी?
还要带骨头，因为带骨头都好大哦。
चलिए आओ यार मैं तो खाने के अंदर कुछ नहीं है जिन्हें और स्टिक देके खुश हो है खाने में कुछ नहीं
ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੱਲ ਹੀ ਲੱਭੀ ਕੋਈ ਯਾਰੀ ਕਿਤੇ ਚੌਕੀਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਕੋਈ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਕੋਈ
नहीं वो बड़ा खुश हो गया
तेज नहीं होता कुछ
ਇੱਕ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ ਕਰੀਬ ਆ ਕੇ ਲੈ ਆਏ ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਵੀ
we have the collaboration with the association to increase our bulls. So we are getting more and more bulls from there, more good bulls, pedigree bulls. After that, we are planning to touch other countries.
So the semen come from the bulls who go from the auto. This is correct that you produce the semen.
No,
yourself.
we take the bulls, we purchase the bulls from associates.
Our bulls are screened and filtered.
Yeah. And the government, both they have the eyes, the government and the association. They have the eyes on the bulls. So by all means, the committee is there, 4 or 5 people, they check the bulls, they screen the bulls from diseases, government, and then they allow to produce the seed. Otherwise, no.
Our bulls quality is
这个吧，
our bulls
然后我们找当地的合资。
quality.
Yeah. 这是水牛的奶油，水牛的奶油少一点点，或者一点点，很油。Nice fried veggie. Yeah, it's growing that. Yeah, the graph is like this. And
many countries I have seen the buffalo, Brazil and India and even Malaysia. All they are producing 2 to 3, 3 to 4 liters. Yeah, we are very blessed person. They are giving even Malaysia, yeah, they have buffaloes. Yeah, even Mahathir have buffaloes there. Somebody gifted from Pakistani government gifted it. I have seen there. My friend, when I visited there, my host was my friend, and he was the friend of Mark. So he took me to the Mahathir farm. He had 5 buffaloes there, gifted from Pakistani government. And they were giving.
不想啊，我觉得3大块就好了。我们的话呢，要进入牧场，牧场的话的目的就是对于我们的胚胎研究。
Yeah. Average price.
The price?
Yeah.
The price depends upon many factors. Maybe we will share in the presentation.
他说过一会儿在演讲的时候给你看。
Because it depends upon many factors like the bulls, which bull semen you want, because there are different categories of bull, high genetics, medium genetics. And
就是
then,
有分高基因和中基因，它价钱不一样。
and then also the demand, also the extender that you want to use for the dilution of the spermatozoa, and also for the packing. You know, the 0.5 ml and 0.25 ml. Then the straw also depends with what kind of a packing that you want. So the
0.5
0.5 and 0.5. There are
啊
two that-
，0.5和0.25两种规格，是吧？
这动静的量
量它是有两种规格。
उनको लेके उनको इधर से साइड से लेके आना कॉलेज से साइड पे हो जाएगा जल्दी चला जाए जल्दी
थोड़ा सा तो
ਉਹ ਅਸੀਂ ਆ ਬਸ ਪ੍ਰੈਜੈਂਟੇਸ਼ਨ 10 ਮਿੰਟ ਦੇ ਲਈਏ ਨਾ ਫਿਰ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਉੱਧਰ ਲੈ ਜਾਂਦੇ
ਲੈਬ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ ਨਾ
ਹਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਲੈਬ 'ਚ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ
ਯਾਰ ਖਾਣਾ ਇੱਥੇ ਹੀ ਪਿਆ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਉਹ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਫਾਰਗ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਵੀ ਖਾਣਾ
ਇਹ ਵਾਧੂ
ਇਹਨੂੰ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਆ ਨਾ
ਇਹ ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ੀ ਆਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੇਨ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਮਾਲਕ ਇਹ ਆ
Please do come in the conference room, have a little presentation.
ਜਿਹੜੇ ਮਾਲਕ ਇਹ ਆ
The policemen, they are looking for the big things. All they belong to villages. Yeah. Please come.
The seat is here.
Have it.
Welcome to Pakistan. I hope you have a very good stay in Pakistan. You enjoyed a lot. So this is the team of Al Hawan Group. Chief Executive Officer Dr. Farooq. He's DVM MSc Reproduction. Myself, I am Director Marketing and Managing Director as well of the company. Then our production manager is Dr. Hassan Riaz. He's DVM and PhD from China. And then we have legal advisor Ali Nader. This is our company's vision: better livestock, better future. Our goal is superior products, services for customers to achieve more. And our values are commitment to innovation and continuous improvement. This is a brand of trust in Pakistan and of many firsts. That means we are the first company to start semen production in Pakistan, and we are in 2020. We became the first company to produce live babies from in vitro fertilization technology. And in 2020, we became commercial and we gave pregnancies in Holstein Friesian for the first time in Pakistan. This is the semen production of all the bulls from 2016 to 2020.
So every year incremental.
Yeah, every year.
As per demand.
Yeah.
Demand is increasing and going.
Al Hawan Group has its own semen distribution network. So we have about 40 employees here in the group total. And then we have company-owned distribution in about 35 major cities. And then we have, these distributors have again sub-distributors, about 105. And then we have about 3,620 AI technicians attached with us all across Pakistan. And every distributor is attached with a veterinarian. So that if the distributor has a problem, if an AI technician has a problem, he contact the distributor and he contact the doctor so that they solve the problem. And average conception rate of our company is about 58.7% of the semen. So Nestle, you know, is a big company, and we are proud that we represented Nestle in Pakistan. From 2015 to 2020, Nestle with the project of DRDF, we together sold about 2 million semen doses in Pakistan.
Okay, so Nestle is your biggest customer.
Yeah, it's biggest vendor.
雀巢等于买了他的东西，再去支援那个农工业的小农族。
And this bull is the pride of our company. Sold about 0.1 million units, semen doses.
It was the first board. And when I started, I bought it from a farmer. It was only 2 years old.
他买的时候就2岁，
for 13
是他
years.
第一个给他打工的人牛。
13 years. He
好
gave
的
us
是卖了10万个。
And mother of this bull produced about 21.5 liters per day, and the progeny was excellent. Then we have collaboration with Buffalo Breeder Association. We are very actively working together to bring better bulls every year to have better progeny. And Dr. Hassan Riaz was involved in Sino-Pak Joint Research Center on Buffalo. He was the person who initiated the process. Maybe you have met Dr. Amjad Riaz. We are also joint project on IVF together to produce embryos, Friesian embryos, and to sell in Pakistan. This is our national and international partnership for embryo production. All these companies, we are working together to bring better quality embryos and better results. And these 6 companies, first is Avantia. This is Italian company guided by Dr. Cesar Galli. He is an expert scientist. He also cloned buffalo, and he has very good in vitro fertilization lab, and also he is an expert in equine cloning. And then we have Novagen. That is part of Avantia, and I got my training from Novagen. And Embryo Plus, these 2 companies are responsible for technology transfer in Pakistan. These are my pictures from Brazil, and this was the time when we were trying to transfer the technology to Pakistan. This is my father in the Novagen lab in Brazil. We started in 2016 and 18, and then we commercialized in 2020. First calf produced in 20. Until now we have produced 1,138 embryos, IVF embryos, and 258 embryo transfers, and 89 confirmed pregnancies in cattle. 23 births of IVF calves already taken place, and rest are in process. We also produced buffalo slaughterhouse embryos, about 57 embryos, but that was part of the research. Because buffalo embryo is not in high demand in Pakistan, so we just did a research in the lab that we are able to produce the embryos. These are some of the calves that we produced, in vitro fertilization calves, rescue babies, and they are in different locations all over Pakistan. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, we are available.
Because the trial is there, the lab is in other guys sit there and where the they have coffee and like that.
去哪里啊？我们去哪看？张东跟他们对话一下。
लगाते
ओके चलता है कोई बात नहीं बाई फोकस करते हैं कोई गल नहीं डर हो जाए
एनिमल एजैकुलेट इसमें एजैकुलेट करता है यहाँ ये आता है ग्रेजुएशन होता है फिर इसके ऊपर वी टेक we put the label on it, we put the bull number, so it is 27, we put, and we take the semen together, and this guy gives this man.
就递过去。 37 37
से आगे चलाएं सीमन को।
ये यहाँ आके इसको टेस्ट करता है। ये लड़का यहाँ से सीमन को लेता है ड्रॉप, इसके ऊपर चेक करता है, चेक करके फिर इसके अंदर उसका खालसा भी तो लिखा है। ये हमारे पास है फोटोमीटर, दिस इज फोटोमीटर। वो चेक करके वो बताता है कि व्हाट इज द कंडीशन ऑफ दिस। केमिकल्स है ना, एक तो उसको प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं, इसको इसके आगे लेयर बना देते हैं, दूसरी इसकी खुराक।
आप पीवीएम को इसको बोलते हैं, पीवीएम बोलते हैं ना, वायरल ट्रांसपोर्ट मीडियम बोलते हैं इस लैब की।
नहीं
这个检测检什么？它不取的要检什么？检活力吗？活性吗？
是。然后呢，这边再检查，它检查出来知道。他检查出来，才告诉他们是它里边能加多少营养液，完了之后分多少了。
यार हेलो यारू किथे है? ठीक है जी हेल्प यारू किथे यारू बेहतर है ना। These are the नहीं fly lectured by the vocabulary association. We point out our good.
哪种是高产牛？
Then bull is shift here.
哪个牛高产？我们合个影吗？
都是高产。These are all bulls which have good pedigree record. Yeah, we select from the consultation of the government and the breeder association.
Beautiful and strong.
Yeah. Breeder association has plays key role in all these bulls. No, please.
आप ही हैं सर।
आप इधर देखें।
You please. How many years? 4 years.
4岁。
I wish both companies will work together and they will be benefited for our nations and for the future. So thank you very much. We have few gifts here.
तो कैसा लगा आपको सब? आई होप यू रियली एंजॉयड द टूर और आपको हमारी फैसिलिटी अच्छी लगी। मुझे अपने कमेंट्स में ज़रूर बताइएगा। मीटिंग वाज वेरी गुड, द प्रेसिडेंट वाज वेरी हैप्पी टू सी द फैसिलिटी और पाकिस्तान के अंदर हम जहाँ तक पहुँच चुके हैं उस प्रोग्रेस को देख के ही वॉज वेरी हैप्पी एंड सेटिस्फाइड, एंड वी होप कि कुछ मंथ्स तक हम लोग मिल के कोई कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन कर सकें। मेरे पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस ये है कि हमने अपनी पूरी कोशिश की, उन्हें अच्छा ब्रीफ किया, और जिस चीज़ की मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा खुशी है वो ये है कि उन्हें एक सक्सेसफुल प्राइवेट इदारा दिखाने में कामयाब हुए, और वो एक पाकिस्तान का अच्छा इमेज लेके वापस चाइना जा रहे हैं। तो मेरे लिए इससे बड़ी खुशी की बात कोई नहीं है। और प्लीज़ फॉलो दिस यूट्यूब चैनल, और अपने कमेंट्स में बताइए इफ़ यू नीड एनी इंफॉर्मेशन यू कैन कांटेक्ट अस वाया ईमेल, और हमारी वेबसाइट भी विज़िट कर सकते हैं। पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद।